Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create high CTR thumbnails using Canva AI. Let's get started. First, open the Canva on your browser. Next, click the Create a Design and select a YouTube thumbnail. Then here you can use the magic design or search for a thumbnail template to get AI generated design ideas. You can choose a template that you like and customize it by adding a bold title, high quality images, eye catching colors. Then, after that, you can use the Canva AI tools like Magic Write to generate a short or catchy text for your thumbnail. Make sure to use a big fonts, contrast colors, and clear visuals to increase the click through rate. And after that, you can preview your design and click download. And that's it. That's how you create a high CTR thumbnails using Canva AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.